Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore columns property in CSS. If you are new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future content. Now let's start the video. Yes, so now you can see I have created one HTML file columns.html in the CSS folder, and here let's apply the columns property. Let's explore what it is. Okay, so suppose I have a paragraph. I'll take it. Let's have like this. So this is the paragraph we have, and some cases where we want to show this column in this paragraph in three columns. Okay, so here I want some content, and in the middle and in the right side. Okay, so that time we can use the column property. Let's apply it. Okay, so we'll understand better in that way. So I'll target paragraph, and then I'll say column count. Okay, I'll say 3. So now you see the columns, like this one paragraph coming into the 3 columns. Okay, so this is how you can apply the columns count property on this. Okay, and with this, one more property we'll have here is column width. Okay, if you want to mention some width, like right now it's auto. Okay, by default it will be auto, but we can change the width as well to something like 300 pixel if we say. Okay, so it will convert into 300 pixel. Let's make it bigger. Now you can see properly. Okay, so with this you can change the width as well. Okay, so let's say 100 pixel, and it will be like this. Okay, so based on the screen size and based on the requirement which you have, you can use column width as well. Okay, and lastly, we have one more property called column, where we can combinedly write these two things. Okay, so which is columns, and first you have to write how much width you want. So let's say 100 pixel, and now you see, once you write columns 100 pixel without writing any count, it will automatically going to divide the columns. Okay, based on the 100 pixel each. It will, like, the whole screen, it will convert it into the 100 pixel, and the columns will be divided. But we don't want like this, we want some count over there. So let's say 3. So it will convert it into 3 columns. Okay, we can see that. So this is how the column property works. Okay, so as we saw how we can apply like a column width as well as the count and into a one single property as well. Let's see few of the other properties as well from the column. Okay, so we have one more property as column gap. Okay, so this property we can use, and we can mention how much gap we want in between the columns. Okay, let's say 200 pixel if I say. So now you see 200 pixel gap we are getting. Okay, so let's change it to 100 pixels, so like little better, not 200 pixel. Okay, so this particular thing as well you can do with the help of column gap. And one more we have as column rule. Okay, so with this, like, how generally we'll add border, right? With this you can add border in between the columns. Okay, so let's say 2 pixel, then solid I want. You see, by default the black color is there, so it's giving the black color, and then we can use crimson color. Okay, and this is how the border will come in between the columns. Okay, with the help of column rule you can do. Okay, and for the gap you can use column gap. So yes, this is about columns property, and we saw the different properties as well in the columns. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and give it a thumbs up. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.